Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add stamps to your notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on either the plus icon to select a new document or create a new document, or tap on a relevant one that already exists and then click on the plus icon at the top in the right side of the screen. Click on stamp and here you can choose from a bunch of preset stamps, as you can see, but you can also make your own stamp, so customize it by tapping on the custom button. Here you can type in your note or type in the name of your stamp that you want to display on it. You can select the color of it. You can decide whether you would like to display the date or the time. So if you turn on these functions, they will be displayed, as you can see. Click on the add button and then you can position it and change its size and place it within your picture. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.